Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel. This is your reading for the month, love reading for the month of October, Pisces. So hopefully we'll have some awesome stuff. Being a general reading, not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. Also, this is based on your Sun, Moon and Venus rising, so check those videos as well. Now let's see Pisces. First I'll pull out your energies and then your person's energy and then a likely outcome. So let's see Pisces. Two of Pentacles. So needing to make a choice. It's about balance, it's about decision. I'll just take out the cards here. So Knight of Swords. So finally clarity coming. Something is rushing in, if you were in two minds, you had two minds. So some information, some message is rushing forward towards you, which will clear the air. This is what I get here. Knight of Swords energies. Yeah, so it could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and you have here this Pentacles, so Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Pisces. If they are your persons, you could see a message from your person directly rushing in, especially if they are Gemini, Aquarius, Libra, and there could be a sudden message coming from them. That is what I get here. Sometimes energies could be vice versa. Maybe you could also reach out to them. In very few cases, this is what I see. Let's see what else for Pisces here. You really, I feel you are in love with this person, but right now you are trying to balance this relationship. You are trying to keep this relationship alive, by you doing your work. I mean, you are the one who's doing the work. Nine of Pentacles. So this is like some of you here, and you have this Nine of Swords. It seems, let me pull out one more card, what is like. Some of you Pisces, definitely, you have made your career, money and other, studies a priority here, because maybe you went through a lot. There was a lot of pain and sorrow in your relationship. Nine of Swords here, you had sleepless night, you had anxiety. So now you are happy with this singlehood situation. You are moving ahead with this single energy, you are in that single energy. Maybe you will move out in October, or maybe some of you have already moved out and you are in this Nine of Pentacles situation right now, because you had a very troublesome, very difficult kind of relationship here. Everything you were doing, and you were the one who suffered a lot. There was some deceit, there was some cheating, there was some betrayal here. So with your singlehood, you are moving forward this month here, Pisces. This is for some of you here. So I'll pull out one more card. It seems that it was a hard time for you to let go the person and come to single energy. This is also what I get here. Let's see Pisces, what else? Queen of Swords, Page of Cups. Definitely somebody is trying to reach out. Knight of Okay, so here it seems that if your person is a water sign or a earth sign, so either you will make up your mind to reach out to this person. If you are in no contact, no communication, so you might send a message to them, or they might be trying to because Page of Cups is like, see the face, it's coming towards you. This is coming towards you. So it's in Cups energy. That person, that page is a younger person, might send a message to you, might and also for some of you, things are really moving slowly. They are at a stagnant pace here. Although you have this clarity, you want to receive you will be sending a message, but maybe your person will take a lot of time to respond to this message, or they might not respond well. It is a very slow moving energy here. This is what I get for some of you here. Even if messaging happens, things will happen at a very slow pace, but it seems that you will be either reaching out to the persons by clarity will come, or they will reach out to you. You will think logically and practically, and then you will make a move. This is what I get here. But there is a message definitely coming. You are either or in Cups energy, it seems that they could also message here. Now let me see your person's energy. It seems that this is a long distance relationship here, or they are acting distant. That is what I get here. They're acting distant. but you think about them, you think about the moments that you spend them. You're still not out of their energies, even if you had broken up, even if you are showing the 9 of Pentacle energy here, still you are attached to the person somewhere. You think about them. So let us see your person's energy. So this is okay. So there is a third party situation for some of you here. Love triangle, third party situation. But it seems that they want to now make a choice, and they want to balance the relationship. They want relationship with you. This is what I get here. Yeah, 6 of Pentacles. It seems that some of them will leave the third party situation and try to come back to you. This is what I get here. Your person was like in both having to dating to you and some other person, especially if they are earth signs and cups here. So your person had a third party or a love triangle going on, but it seems they are now wanting to balance situation and coming back to you. This is one of the things I get here. Let us see what else for Pisces. What else for Pisces? So maybe that's the reason, you must have been felt like your person is closed off and you're acting cold and distant. So this third party situation could be there, could be a reason. Yeah, so this is again a Queen of Swords, yeah, and 7 of Cups. Yeah, so there is your person, for some of you, your person will still act cold and they will be in that, confused state. That is what I get here. Cold, distant, confused, indecisive, immature. That is what I get. Your person and they will hold on their emotions. I mean, they'll be more logical and practical. That is what I get here. Yeah, so after that is the King of Pentacle. Like they will King of Pentacle is like emotionally closed off. So some of your person still feels that you feel that they are closed off. They might feel that you are closed off. So it could be, this is the situation, that what I get here, Pisces, for some of you here. Let us see what now. This is what I get here. Let us see like a likely outcome for Pisces and their person's relationship in October. Likely outcome of Pisces and their person's relationship in October. Yeah, I told you there is a lot of confusion here. There's a to and fro relationship which I get in. Okay, so Page of Swords. So Page of Swords, some messages, some Queen of Pentacles, yes, and then a Justice. So it seems that somebody will reach out with a message. One of you will reach out with a message, and there will a balance will be restored. If the person is like a small message could come to you, suddenly, and it will be reached. They will reach out to you, and there could be, so if it's an earth sign or a Libra here, or a Gemini, Aquarius too, so you could see a reconciliation coming together and balance in this relationship. Once they clear the air, or the message is sent, or you reach out, or they reach out. So this is what I get here. So reconciliation could come here. A message could bring things to clarity, and you could move forward, bringing the balance in your relationship here. Let us see one more likely outcome, Pisces. One more likely outcome for Pisces here. Sorry, let me just pick up this card here. Okay, so likely outcome for Pisces here. So King of Pentacle, okay, the Sun, and 3 of Cups. let me see. It seems that, you know, for some of you still the confusion exists. I pulled out a lot of cards because the same kind of cards were coming out. There is reconciliation, of course, in most of the signs because of the Mercury retrograde here, excess coming back. So I pulled out 2 extra cards here, but it seems that, you know, there is something to be worked on, still clarity to come with the Queen of Swords yet to come in. Then only the balance will be restored. Some confusion has to go, some decision has to be taken logically, practically, has to be sorted out. Only then this, you know, thing will see reconciliation. Otherwise it's just a stuck condition. I don't see any breakup or anything as such. I have not got any breakup cards for you here also. So it's like for the balance or for the relationship to move forward in a balanced way, clarity, confusion should go, clarity should come. That is what I get here. Overthinking should be left back, left. So this is what I get here for you, Pisces. If this resonates with you, if you like my reading, subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Stay blessed.